Hey guys, welcome to Happy Coding for Everyone channel. What will you learn from this video? Card, card body, card title, card text, and more. Let's start coding. I need to create a div first with card class name, and let's assign a style, give some width, 400 pixels. Let me make it wider for you guys. And I want to add an image. As you remember, we have an image under image folder, which is logo. We can use that one. And let's add our class name for image, card image top. Let's add another div for card body. And we need to create a card title area. I need h5 tag, card title, and let's assign class for h5 tag, card title. And let's create a p tag for card text, class name card text, and let's add some text, lorem 8, and lastly I want to add a button, class name btn primary. Let's add some text, go somewhere. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, our first card. We can change size of image. For example, we can make it 300 pixels. Let's save it and have a look at it. See guys, I want to show another card example. Let me copy that one. Put the HR. I don't want to use image. I want to use card subtitle for this example. Let me create a H6 tag, card subtitle. And let's add some class names, card subtitle, margin bottom 2, and text muted. And I also want to remove that button. I want to use another class name, which is card link. Let's create another one. Card link. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, you can create sort of cards in your projects too. Let me copy that one more time. This time I want to remove button. Let's save it and have a look at it. Guys, this is another example. So you can remove or add different things in your card design like this. Let me copy that one. Another HR. This time I want to use a list group in the card. And ally with list group item. lorem 3. Let me copy and paste 2 more times. And I want to add another body tag here, cart body. And I want to add a cart link. Cart link. And let's add a class name, cart link. Let's save it and have a look at it. So guys, we can create sort of cards too. Let's have a look at another example. Div cart, div cart header, featured, and another div for cart body. And let's add a title, cart title, cart title. Let's add a paragraph tag for text, cart text, lorem 10, and let's add a button. Class name btn primary. Go somewhere. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, you can create cards like this too. Let me copy that one and have another example. I want to use code example. Let me remove those things from body. I want to use block code for this area. And I need a paragraph tag, lorem 8, and footer, lorem 3. Let's add our class names, block code, and margin bottom 0. And that one is class block code footer. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, you can create sort of card design for your project. And I want to copy that featured example one more time. To put AHR. This time is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to use card footer area in this example. Let me add another class name, text muted. Let's say 4 days ago. And then also I want to use text center class name to center all those things in the card. We just need to add text center here. Let's save it and have a look at it. So guys, you can create great designs like this. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching it. See you in the next video.